Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how an OR gate works. Let's get an OR gate from this panel and you will see that there are two input terminals and one output terminal. We will use again these toggle switches to connect to the input, and we will use this light bulb as an output, an indicator of the output of this OR gate. Okay, we will connect the switches by dragging the mouse from one terminal to another terminal, as well as here. And then let's look at the output based on the combination of these two inputs. Okay, these two inputs are now off, and you can see that the output is off. When I turn this on, the output turns on. And then when I click this off again and turn this one input on, the output is on. And then when I turn this on, now the two inputs are on, the output is on. So what do you notice? It means that when these two inputs are off, that's the only time that the output is off. But when either of these inputs are on, the output is on, as well as when they are both on. Okay, so that's how an OR gate works. So let's look at the truth table here. This truth table shows you the combination of these two inputs. It can be 0, 0 or off, off. Okay, 0, 0. Off means 0 in the truth table and on means 1 in the truth table. Okay, when the two inputs are 0 or off, the output is off. When the inputs are 0, 1 or off, on, okay, 0, 1 here in the truth table, the output is on, which is 1 here. And then when the input is on, off, or 1, 0, the output is still on. And when the two inputs are on, or 1, 1, the output is also on. This is the truth table for an OR gate. All right. In the next video, I will show you the other gates, how it works. So stay tuned. Bye.